Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody. Today guys we will take a look at again on the Great British Pound, since we do not have a lot of changes across the board. Yes, this was the holiday in the United States. Markets were relatively quiet, so that's why we will take a look what's going on the Great British Pound, because we have discussed this step in the weekly research. Here we have some progress. Besides, on the other currencies, we also do not have something really special. So yesterday we have talked on the euro currency, which retracement also stands underway. And on Great British Pound, the price right now is approaching to the level that we have specified. And in general, we could get the opportunity for taking a long position very soon. So on the daily chart, if you remember, we said that upward action is very important, and it could mean the market is standing on the way to the next target. That's around 132.50 area approximately. It's 1618 target of this ABC bottom pattern, and this retracement mostly stands due the daily overbought. Here's minor response should happen. So taking into consideration the overall price behavior that we have, so retracement indeed has started with a double repo sell pattern that we have discussed. Downward action is very gradual, so this is good sign for retracement, so that we do not have any nasty black candle to the downside. Now market's approaching to the first support. Right now it stands upon the weekly pivot point. Here, as you can see, the big cluster of the different supports. So here is the 129 area that is enveloped by pivots. So this is weekly pivot point, this is monthly pivot point. Market price now is coming here. But as target of the double repo, usually its minimum target stands at the 50% of its thrust up. This thrust of the double repo. So approximately 50% should be around 128.60. So approximately this area we have specified where we could get chance to go long, because as you can see, this is actually the upper border of the confidence support. It's also accompanied by the weekly pivot support one, and this is natural support resistance. So this is some kind of the neckline. So it's double bottom here being formed. Market has completed its target now, slash retracement back to this area. So if market is indeed bullish, and it really has intention to continue move higher, in this case, market should not return back down inside of the consolidation of the double repo, and of course it should not break down the strong confidence and combination of the monthly pivot support one and the major fib level. So for normal bullish market, this will be enough if retracement will reach the confidence support, and here we will get some kind of the reversal pattern, possible upward action. On the hourly chart, guys, we have some pattern that also hints that market probably should show some deeper retracement. So if you carefully will take a look at the hourly chart, first of all, we have the classical bearish flag is forming. On the 4-hour time frame chart, it looks better as flag, as you can see. So usually it leads to some breakout here. But also we have some kind of the bearish dynamic pressure is forming here. Because take a look, trend has shifted bullish, but price action is not. It's forming lower lows and lower highs, and shows some downward pressure exists here. So shifting of the trend doesn't correspond to price direction. So that usually leads to downward continuation. So that's why on the Great British Pound we're continue watching for this retracement. Currently, the target that we will be keep an eye on stands in this support cluster. It's 28, 30, 28, 60 area. That's the primary area where we will be watching for possible bullish reversal patterns. But in a short-term perspective, it seems, at least on the targets that we have by the double report and the patterns that we have in the hourly chart, it seems that market should continue move lower. So let's keep an eye on this development, because as we discussed in our weekly research, this situation on the Great British Pound, daily chart on the weekly, really has very significant potential.